Welcome. In front of me is a Ledger Nano S, and today I will show you how to add Ethereum account to the Ledger. So if you have figured it out, by default when you install the wallet to the Ledger itself, you don't actually have an account assigned to it. So I'm gonna start by opening up our Ledger Live application, and from here we can go to accounts. Now by default, if you haven't added any kind of account, this will be fully empty and you will have this kind of button here, add account. But assuming you already have at least one, well, it will look like this. So let's select the plus button right here and tap on add account. And obviously we want to add Ethereum, so find Ethereum in the list. Now, fortunately, it's one of the more popular ones, so it's right at the top, right here below Bitcoin. So click on it. And then you want to select your ledger that you will load that account to. On the ledger itself, you do also need to have that wallet type installed on it. So I do. And then once you try to sync up the account to it, it will tell you that you need to open up Ethereum app. So press both of the keys to confirm it. Application ready. And right now it's syncing it up to it. So give it a couple of seconds. And as you can see, once it's finished, you can select continue and you can tap on go to account, which doesn't actually take you to the account, it just takes you to the tab where you were before and shows you the Ethereum wallet now. Now in here we have buy and receive. If you go to receive and select continue without my device, you will be actually able to see the wallet address along with the QR code. So that's basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.